I know that this deep a V-neck might not be very family friendly, but oh my god! Like, I know I'm supremely up in my nose hairs right now, but I'm about to show you the dress and I'm freaking out. Hi guys, so I am with I'm with Dad and Niharika. Dad and me had some work, so that is why we had come to Andheri. And we are now first going to have lunch with Miss Suryavanshi Madam. Hello. Suryavanshi. So बहुत टाइम बाद मुझे ऐसे अपॉइंटमेंट मिला है निहारिका मैडम के साथ, तो हम लंच करने वाले हैं. So we are going to have lunch we are planning to go to Tanjore Tiffin House. I love the food over there. So let's go there and then we are going to design some outfits from scratch. Let's go. You have to do the you have to do the He's not doing the you do the ये देखा This is coconut. My grandmother will be so disappointed that I'm coming outside to have more content. Papa is like finishing off the samplers only.
Oh my god, it's incredible. I've never been asked which color.
ना अभी आपने सूर्यवंशी किया, अभी तो सब कुछ ही पूछ के होगा ना आपसे. हाँ.
सोनी ने मैं मुख साथ मोड़या मिशन कली लगाया तेरी गली की में गंडासा एंड बैग फुल ऑफ मनी दिखाएं तुझ पे खड़ी काली गाड़ी नीचे खड़ी मैं तुझे लेके कायम आ चुकी है वो घड़ी देख लूंगा कितने तेरे वीर है सीधा जम्मू चलेंगे मैं वहां वीर है तेरा यार बड़ी बेड़ी वीर है बुला मत कर दिल्ली वाले रांझे की तू हीर है दिन हर दिन ऐश करेंगे जिंदगी के सारे मजे साथ कैश करेंगे जान से भी प्यारी जाने मन पूरे साल तेरा बर्थडे बैश करेंगे.
Burj Khalifa. So now that our tummies are super full, I mean I honestly can't even talk right now.
I heard turkeys.
And end mein they gave us these small little LG bananas also, which was a lot of fun to have. Because I like having a piece of fruit or something sweet after food, and I did not really feel like eating like full-fledged dessert, so that was perfect. So now we are going to Manish Market, which is in Andheri West, Four Bungalows area. This is where you get like a lot of there is like a really big fabric store which I want to go to, and like lines से all tailors and everyone like sits over here only. So we are going to go over there. There's this big fabric shop called Tirumala where I'm going to go to get some stuff, and let's design an outfit from scratch.
उसने मुझे छुआ भी नहीं, ऐसा वैसा कुछ हुआ भी नहीं, नजर थी पहले कोई बेचैनी, आंखों आंखों में शैतानी हो गई, सिया ने
में जाना चाहिए?
यस,
क्यों जाना चाहिए मुझे?
क्योंकि आपका जो एक्टिंग वगैरह है ना बहुत क्लासी है और फॉलोइंग भी आपका बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आएगा एंड बेटर.
आपने क्या बोला, आप मेरे लिए वोट करेंगे?
यस, एंड कम से कम 2500 फॉलो आपको मैं दूंगा ही.
ओके.
जितने भी मेरे फ्रेंड लोग रहेंगे और भी आगे भेजते रहेंगे आपको.
ओह माय गॉड.
यस,
तो मतलब मेरा बिग बॉस में एंट्री पक्का है और अगर मैं गई तो मेरा जीतना भी पक्का है क्योंकि भाई साहब ने बोल दिया कि इनके सारे फ्रेंड्स तो मेरे लिए वोट करने वाले हैं.
करेंगे श्योर. यस,
So I have taken this cloth
या
to put over
दिस
this.
then
Because
extra fabrics.
Yeah, because I want to make like a lehenga out of this. And this is my mom's old saree. जिसका ये वाला जो है ब्लाउज बनेगा. I have already taken out the lining for it. So let's go to the tailor sahab and ask him what's going on. So the way I want the blouse is that I want a straight neck on the front with half sleeves for this material, and then I have told him to keep the back just simple U shape with like hooks at the back. This is what the back will look like. And then for the lehenga, lehenga mein basically this fabric that you've taken, I just got this fabric. We'll line it with this fabric and we'll see what magic we can create. Hi guys, so now it is actually 3 days later that I have given the lehenga for stitching. Honestly, I feel like I overpaid for the stitching. After I reveal like the whole outfit to you, I'll tell you guys how much I paid for it. Like at that time, I obviously am not very experienced about how much stitching costs, but I asked like a couple of guys at that Manish marketplace, you know, how much blouse stitching and lehenga stitching will cost, and a lot of them kind of gave me similar pricing. So one guy who I thought was okay, I just said, you know what, let's just go with him because I'm not coming from experience here, so it was kind of like a trial and error for me. But I am super excited to try on this outfit because if it is exactly like how I had imagined it, it's gonna be amazing. So let's get changed, shall we? You guys, I know I'm supremely up in my nose hairs right now, but I'm about to show you the dress and I'm freaking out. This dress, oh my goodness, I just feel like such a princess. I absolutely love the way that this has turned out. I think this is everything that I had envisioned it to be. I'm gonna have someone else help me with these hooks, but you get the drill, right? And yeah, I think these kind of necks are very in trend now. I know that this deep a V-neck might not be very family friendly, but I know that I'm going to be wearing like a dupatta over this, so that should kind of make it all right. And I love the back of this. I think it is stunning. And what is great about this outfit is that now that I've got this blouse stitched, I can also wear my mom's gorgeous sari, which I don't know why she never wears, but expect me to make some bomb ass reels on that, because that sari I fell in love with. Oh my god, I fell in love with that sari as soon as I saw it in my mom's closet, and I was like, Aja, Aja mere closet mein baith ja, Aja mere closet mein baith ja. So yeah, I think I am absolutely in love with this outfit. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you guys liked this. I think this is such a hit. I actually love the fit of this. I think it sits very comfortably. The length, I think he got the length pretty good. So yeah, this is the outfit, and we have we also have a special appearance by Diva Darling right here. Ooh, I like that stretch, girl. I like that stretch. So yeah, this was my attempt at outfit from scratch. Okay, so to give you a little bit of a backstory, the satin material which is used in the lehenga was a sari that my mom had, which again she knew she didn't want to use anymore, and the blouse is a stitched blouse which came with another sari that my mom said that she doesn't want to wear anymore. Trust me guys, I don't know if you also experience the same thing, but your mom's closets are a khazana of untapped goodness, and sometimes our moms don't get the khazana that they're sitting on. But if you are that little fashionista that wants to experiment, the first thing you should do is deep dive into your mom's closet. And this is a lesson that I have learned. So just a little pro tip, if I may say so myself. So yeah, basically I have upscaled 2 of my mom's saris to make this outfit. So I feel the reason why I love this outfit is A, by itself, like when I wear it like this, it looks amazing. This blouse I can also wear it with my mom's sari jiske saath ye actually aaya bhi tha, and I can also switch out this blouse and I can wear this lehenga with another blouse which is just like a sequin blouse if I want to wear something a little more sexy, a little more, you know, out there. I feel that's also amazing, and I like having these mix and match type of outfits in my wardrobe. Even if you see like my content and everything, I always reuse almost all of my pieces because that's how I like it. I feel like if I've paid so much money for a garment, like I don't want to wear it just once. I want to wear it like multiple times, and yeah, look bomb every time I wear it, of course. Yeah, this is my outfit from scratch. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys liked it. If you guys like these type of videos, I would definitely love to do more of them. I don't think I'm that designer kind of girl, but I like this process. Also, I told you guys how much I'll tell you guys how much I paid for the stitching because I feel like I overpaid. I paid, oh my god, I know like you guys will be like, बहन मेरा घर बार बेच के तेरे लहंगा के लिए खरीदना पड़ेगा अभी, but the stitching of this whole thing was around say 4,000 or 4,500 because the blouse with the cups was about say 1,100 or so, and the lehenga, because it has a can and everything of that sort, that is what costed a lot more. So that was what was like 3,500ish or like around 3,000, which is quite a lot. I'll definitely say that, but again, I don't really go around like buying lehengas that often, so this was just something that I wanted to do. Let me know if you guys know of like a good, reasonable, well-priced tailor in Mumbai that I could go to. I could check him out also because I might want to get some more outfits done, you know, it's wedding season after all. So yeah, that is it for today. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like this. I definitely had a lot of fun kind of going through this whole process. So yeah, let me know and subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Like, girl, support, that's what we're here for. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't and hit that notification bell to be notified every time makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.